My name is Dumby. I am speaking to you in English because I want you to understand me. I would really like to speak to you in my native African language, but that was taken away from me a long time ago, in May about the year 1780. On this day, I lost my name and my entire family. This is Moeen, my husband. This is the last time I ever saw his fine face.
Joe Turner's come and gone. They tell me Joe Turner's come and gone. Got my name.
Dembia, my girl child, went to a man I later knew as Austin.
40 links of chain.
Some wild man got Juba. I am the lucky one. Me and my sweet baby, O&T, went to a kind little woman, Elizabeth Ramsey. It is because of this little angel that I am alive to tell you this story.
Like he never come before. God, my man ain't gone now. God, my man ain't gone.
I have a new white name now, Suki. Miss Elizabeth liked this name. I heard Abe tell Miss Elizabeth about a tall slave named Jim who could outwork 10 slaves. They drove him to a cotton field down south. My heart beat like a drum in my chest. When I heard him talking, I just knew this was my man, Moeen. Someday I'm going to find him.
Follow the drinking gourd. Follow the drinking gourd. For the old man is awakened for to carry you to freedom if you follow the drinking gourd. When the sun comes up and the first flare falls, follow the drinking gourd. For the old man is awakened for to carry you to freedom if you follow the drinking gourd. Follow the drinking gourd. Follow the drinking gourd. For the old man is awakened for to carry you to freedom if you follow the drinking gourd.
Keep your eyes open. Don't worry.
The trees will show you the way, and the left foot, big foot, traveling on if you follow the drinking gourd.
I hear there's a conductor in the area. Let's go now. Go get 'em, boys.
Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I will send thee one by one. One was a living baby, wrapped in swaddling clothing. in the manger. Oh, born in Bethlehem. Children, go where I send thee. How shall I send thee? I will send thee two by two with Paul and Silas, one with a little bitty baby, wrapped in swaddling clothing, lying in the manger. Born, born, born in Bethlehem.
I'm John Rankin. I moved my wife, Jean, and my children here to Ripley, Ohio in 1822. We came here because this great state of Ohio is a free state. When our enslaved brethren reached its shores, they can make their way safer to ground in Canada. I'm the pastor of the Ripley Presbyterian Church. Some of the faithful members of my church and I can be counted on to lend a helping hand to those in need.
Three was Jean and Marty, two was Paul and Silas, one was a little baby, wrapped in swaddling clothing, lying in the manger.
I'm so happy to be a family again. I can't believe Juba is here in Canada with me and Auntie. I still pray that someday I'll see my man Milan and my sweet girl Jimba.
Four was four come knocking at the door. Three was reading and writing. Two was Paul and Silas. One was a little baby, wrapped in swaddling clothing, lying in the manger.